Those in the know have heard of it from whispers, rumors, or legends thereof. Information too sensitive that it is only passed from generation to generation under the cover of darkness, in hushed tones, lest ears not meant to catch wind of it. Some in the know don't even dare speak of it. People have disposed of it, saying it's a children's story born in the days of yonder when Africa was still divided by its many nations and tribes. Tribalism was still a thing. All for what, you may ask? A beacon of hope, they say. For without hope, mankind is doomed. Another day dusting the shelves, visits the fictions. Something about helps, maybe about something a horror story. Employee checks in books, some check them out. These powerful compilations of knowledge and clout. Inside, the storage room, a stock to unpack of sci-fi and comics. Their substance just lacks 2 boxes, 4 boxes. There's more, they just wear 5 boxes. Book snails. If you ask me, a harsh term given to describe the community of outlaws that decided to stick to writing and reading books. The greatest among them was Jomo Sr. But even the best of dancers on the stage must retire someday and bid farewell to the crowd. In strong attachment of people in social media, the trust turns out to be controlled by the authority. Other people are only a manifest of what the authorities want them to know. The authorities have made books to be seen as things of evil that deserve no position of existence in this world. The authorities have stated in laws and banned all civilians from writing or reading any books. All written information must be gone. Only truths from the authorities must be passed on. But are they truths? For anyone found in such circumstances is seen to commit felony and has to be burned alive with the books.
What are you doing, old man?
No!
Oh. 6 ball. Wait. What's that? That box over there? Huh. Probably my intern. I really should get them a lesson on organizing these things. Wait. Is that it? My day has come? Cheetah prints kinda feline. This thing's out of place surely. No labels or tape. Seals? Just this on its face. Hey, hold on a minute. I've seen this before. It was fake. Throw it away? Yeah, just should. But it seemed so important from the look on his face. They were trying to kill him. Said my name for Christ's sake. Open the thing or keep it closed. Mind my own business. Stick it in my nose. Answer his call or let it ring. Voicemail is a thing actually. What is this nonsense? It's so confusing.
Songi bandiko likambo na motema ngai na motema unu para kileba chulilo lutua ona makambo.
What harm could it do? I've read thousands of these. I open the pages through. What lies inside? I have no clue. Lo and behold, inside we find humanity's glue. It is chiefly through books that we enjoy intercourse with superior minds. In the best of books, great men talk to us, give us their most precious of thoughts, and pour their souls into ours. God be thanked for books. They are the voices of the distant and the dead, and make us heirs of the spiritual life of past ages. Books are true levelers. They give it to all who will faithfully use them. The society, the spiritual presence of the best and greatest of our race. William Ellery Channing. Since time immemorial, prevention has time and time again been lauded as being better than cure. From the earliest of records, vaccination is known to have come from Africa, and it is in Africa that we will develop it further and promote its use. For what's the use in burning more and more money trying to cure a disease that we could have easily prevented through vaccination? Here we come. Human security depends on a system where each rational individual calculates that it is more profitable not to rebel. Wars and peace thereof, it's not achieved by the number of armies. It's not determined by the number of bullets that are fired off gun muzzles. Rather, in the words of Sun Tzu, for the greatest of victories is that which requires no battle. For the more the deals we sign on a table, the more peace we achieve, if no wars are fought. But at the same time, human rights and dignity take first precedence in all our decisions. Welcome to the Security Council.